This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back. So now here in this session, I'm going to cover another topic called part payment. Guys, what is this part payment? So I think you got a little bit idea with the name itself, by the name itself. So part payment means, let's suppose I'm having a customer. There is a customer. And so what is happening guys, like let's suppose so whatever the customers are there, of course they are going to, like Tata Motor is going to sell the whatever the end product is there. So now here XYZ Limited is there. Now let's suppose we are having a sales worth of 5K. Generally it should be more, but take example of a small amount itself. So this is what worth of sales we have made. Now the customer is unable to make whole payment at a time. So in that case, like they'll be having the talk with the account receivable help desk team and all, and they agreed for the part payment. Part payment means certain portion of the invoice is going to be, like certain portion of the amount is going to be paid initially, and whatever remaining is there is going to be paid later. It could be like 2000 first, then again we can have additional 1000 rupees, and then we are going to get remaining 2000. In this case also in this way also it will be, right? Or else this is our invoice amount, right? So this is invoice now, and payment we have received 2000. So this is called part payment, right? Now whenever we are going to post the invoice guys, it is going to be posted open item basis. Like invoice, this invoice will be going to be posted in the form of open item, right? Open item. Now so here if you talk about the part payment guys, part payment can be posted in two different way. First of all, I'll show you that and then I'll explain. So look at here, part payment. Now part payment is going to be posted in the form of partial payment and residual payment. Some differences are there guys. Practically I'll show you what is the difference between partial payment and residual payment. That is going to be explained. But first of all, I'll show you the partial payment and then I'll show you residual payment. So in this tutorial, in this video, we'll explain the partial payment. So part payment is going to be posted into SAP guys in a two different way, in the form of partial payment or in the form of residual payment, or it is also called residual item. So what is the difference guys? Difference you will be able to understand only if you're having clear idea like how the partial payment is going to be posted and how the residual payment is going to be posted. So once we post the invoice is going to be posted in the form of open item. Now let's suppose this 2000 I have received in the form of partial payment. So this is also going to be posted into system, and this is also going to be treated as this is also going to be posted in the form of open item itself. In the sense this 5000 is also, it is going to be shown as an open item, and this 2000 is also going to be shown as an open item itself. Okay, now let's suppose this is document number 1005 and this is document number 1006, because you know that whenever we are going to post the transactions, our document number is going to be generated. So this is document number 1005. This is your document number. Why I'm quoting this document number guys? Of course there is a logic, right? That is why I'm saying. So now here what is happening? So let's suppose, so for invoice, a document number got generated. For payment, partial payment, a document number got generated. Now next time the customer is going to pay additional 1000. I'll give an example of 10,000 here, and out of which we have received, let's suppose, any amount 3000, and then I'm going to receive additional 2000 again in the form of partial payment itself, right? So this is also going to be posted in the form of open item, and a different document number is going to be generated, 1007, right? So this is how the people are going to, if you go for interview, it could be asked from anybody, right? So now here itself, the multiple people are going to make a mistake. Why? Because you watch, there are multiple videos available on partial payment and residual payment. You all know, might be, let's suppose some of you might be knowing how to post the partial payment, how to post the residual payment, right? But yes, there are certain things which you have to notice, and this is what is going to make you exclusive compared to whoever other people are there in the market, right? I mean to say, whoever is there as your competitor. So now here, so generally people will ask, okay, let's suppose I have posted an invoice worth of 10,000 and I received a part payment worth of 3,000. So it means that is going to be posted as an open item, right? Now next time again I'm going to receive a part payment worth of 2,000. So how system is going to behave? How this 2,000 is going to be posted? So is it going to be shown as an open item itself, or system is going to clear this item? So I'll tell you, 99% of the people, 98% of the people, they will say that yes, this 2,000 is also going to be treated as an open item itself here in the system. So in that case, we are having three open item: one invoice, second partial payment of 3,000, and third part, and second one is like, this is the first partial payment of 3,000 and second partial payment of 2,000. But generally it's not like that. Generally it's not like that. How it will be, guys? So now I'm going to show you the scenario here. Okay, so we have received the first partial payment 3,000. This document number got generated. Now if you are going to receive the second partial payment worth of 2,000 rupees, so how much total payment we have received, guys? 5,000. So now here system is going to update this line item, and it will be, instead of 3,000, it is going to be shown as a 5,000. Okay, this is going to be there in minus, so 5,000, right? And document number 1,007 is going to be generated. So 1,007, of course, 1,007 is going to be updated here. What about the document number 1,006, guys? So this document number is going to be cleared. This is going to be cleared, and it is going to be part of cleared item. So here what will happen, guys, instead of seeing like multiple open items against a single invoices, we are having a single open item itself in terms of partial payment. So here it's pretty clear. Here we can come to know that 5,000 is still we have received as a in the form of partial payment. So how much we are yet to receive? We are supposed to receive only what to say, remaining 5,000. Again you are going to receive additional 3,000. So how much it is, guys? So 3,000 means, again here what is happening, guys? Here it is 5,000 plus 3,000, 8,000 is going to be updated here, and document number 1,008 is going to be updated. And previous 5,000 and 5,000 was there, right? Previous 5,000 line item with document number 1,007, that is also going to be part of cleared item itself. So this is how what is happening, guys. If you are going to post a partial payment, if you post a partial payment, a single line item, the payment line item will be updated. Here it will be also open item itself, but the single line item will be there. It's not like we are having multiple line item and all. I'll show you practically so that you guys will be having perfect understanding. Try to understand these things, guys. Or else if you're not able to understand, then of course, if somebody is going to ask the partial payment and residual payment, of course they'll ask what is the differences. Apart from this, if somebody asks this one, that how many line item is going to be shown as an open item, based on, people will think in their mind and they will say that 2 line items or 3 line items or 4 line items will be shown. But no, a single line item will be there, in the sense like a single line item of partial payment will be there. Here I'll show you. First of all, you go to FB70 and post an invoice, right? I think it's gone. Let me log in once again. Try to understand, guys. So go to FB70, and here is my customer number, then invoice date, give the current date itself, and here amount. So amount I'm going to put 10,000, and here sales revenue is real. Okay, so now everything is fine, guys. Just do one thing, save it. So what I have done, guys, I have posted document number 4016. So what I have to do here, now I'm going to change document number 4016, right? Here also I'll make it then the next document number supposed to be 4017 because I'm using the same number range. Okay, so now here we'll post partial payment. Part payment means it can be posted in the form of partial payment, it can be posted in the form of residual payment. So I'm discussing I'm going to explain here partial payment first. So partial payment means how to make the partial payment, guys. Pretty simple. Go to F-28 and here how much partial payment, guys? So I'll follow this example itself. So first of all, 3,000. Now, so look at here, the invoice worth of 10,000 is there, and out of which 3,000 I'm going to make payment. So there is a differences, right? And of course, difference will be there because invoice is worth of 10,000 and payment is going to be payment we have received 3,000 only. So we are having two more tab here, partial and residual. So you first of all click on partial payment, and here so net amount, there is the invoice amount, right? And payment amount, how much? So it's not 10,000, we have received only 3,000, so give here 3,000. Now, so look at here, we have given 3,000 and system is also assigned 3,000 itself. If you want to see the accounting entry, simulate it and save it. So we have posted our transactions in the sense partial payment worth of 3,000 and document number is 4017. So here you need to record this 4017, and here also I'm going to record it. Okay, now, so if you have a look here, check the customer open item. And here you can give the customer number. If you're having multiple customer, you need to give the customer number. Okay, if you don't give the customer number, then let's suppose you have created 10 customer numbers for all customers, whatever open items are there, system is going to show here. So you must have to give the customer number. Since I'm having a single customer, so whether I give the customer number or not doesn't matter. Anyway, system is going to show you the overall balances of this. So now here, this is invoice and this is payment. How I came to know? Not because of this amount, guys, because of this document type, right? So always you also have to check what document type is there. So DR document type is for invoice and DZ document type is for payment. So with the help of document type, what will happen, guys? We are going to determine the types of transactions, whether it is invoice, payment, or whatever it is, right? So here this is a payment. This is a payment. Further, if it is a partial payment, then you can update the text field. Initially itself it was supposed to be updated, but right now also we can edit and we can update here. Partial payment. Okay, one, save it. So this is how we will come to know. If you refresh, look at here. So now here, out of 10K, we have received 3K, right? Now, the next one is, let's suppose next time I'm going to receive additional 2K or additional 4K. I'm going to receive next time additional 4,000, right? So first of all, 3,000 we have received, and this 3,000 is going to be shown by system as an open item. So here invoice is also open item and payment is also open item. Why it is open item, guys? Because the payment, this is not a complete payment. It's a part payment only, partial payment only, right? So now here the payment is also going to be shown as an open item itself. So now the next question is, I'm going to receive the second partial payment worth of 4,000 rupees. Then what will happen, guys? So most of the people will say that one more additional line item is going to be created, and here it is going to be shown 4,000 also as an open item. So 3,000 and 4,000. This is how system is going to show you the overall balance. But it's not like that, guys. Just see here. So let me open here full screen. Now, so here F-28, 1 second. And this time 4,000, give your password, press enter. Now, so here 10,000 worth of invoice, out of which 3,000 we have already received in the form of partial payment. Again, we are going to receive the second amount in the form of partial payment itself. So here there is a problem. Most of the people, what they do, they are going to give 4,000 here, press enter. So now there'll be a problem. Here there is a difference. Okay, so what happens, guys? Generally, which amount we are going to give here? I'll tell you now. So right now, how much payment we have received? 4,000. Right? Earlier we have received how much? 3,000. So 3,000 plus 4,000, how much amount, guys? Total 7,000, right? So now here in this payment amount, 7,000 is going to be updated. It means we are going to give 7,000. If you give 7,000, look at here. Out of 7,000, 3,000 is already received, guys. So system is able to understand that okay, 4,000 is the actual amount which we are going to receive. But why I have given 7,000? Because this 7,000 is going to be updated here. Where, guys? At the place of 3,000. At the place of 3,000, now a new line item is going to be updated worth of 7,000. And what about this 3,000, guys? That is going to be clear. And what is like if 7,000 is going to be updated, then here what is happening, guys? Here overall balances will be 3,000 is going to be shown by system, and easily user will be able to understand that yes, out of 10,000, 7,000 till 7,000 we have received. Now remaining 3,000 yet to receive. So now here again, if you want to simulate, the accounting entry will be like this. Here you need to understand, guys. Now look at here, what is happening. So your bank account is going to be debited. Why? Because what is the actual receivable, guys? Actual amount which we have received, that is 4K only, right? Now there are two line items which is getting generated. One is worth of 7K and second one is worth of 3K. So why two line item got generated, guys? Because see, the actual accounting entry is supposed to be like your bank account is going to be debited worth of 4K and customer account is going to be credited worth of 4K itself. So look at here, guys. Even the customer account is also getting credited worth of 4K itself. 3,000 debit and 7,000 credit. So now here 7,000 minus 3,000, how much? 4,000 itself. But two line item got generated because here what is happening? 3,000 credit is there. So this is going to be clear with this 3,000 debit. So now what will happen, guys? This 3,000 credit and their 3,000 debit is there. That is going to nullify. That is going to be nullified in the sense this is going to be clear, and a new line item is going to be updated at the place of this 3,000. A new line item is going to be updated at the place of 3,000 with the amount of this 7,000. This 7,000 is going to be updated here. It means this 7,000 is going to replace this 3,000, right? Look at here the document number also, 4,017, right? Now if I'm going to save it, so 4,018 document number got generated. This is the part payment itself. And now here, so this 3,000 is going to be, this is going to be clear. This is going to be clear. And system is going to update a new line item worth of 7,000. And this is going to be shown as an open item. This is going to be shown as an open item. And this is going to be clear. So now what will the actual like if you see here, click on refresh. If I'm going to refresh, look at here, the magic. 7,000 updated and 3,000 is gone. 3,000 is cleared, right? 3,000 is cleared. So now easily people will come to know that, okay, out of this 10,000, 7,000 we have received in the form of partial payment and 3,000 is yet to receive. So no matter whether you are going to post this invoice, you are going to clear this invoice, like let's suppose we have received 3 partial payment or 4 partial payment. In all the cases, what is happening, guys, whatever the current partial payment amount is there, that is going to be updated with the recent received. Whatever recent received amount is there, with that, if I have received only 500 now next time. So here what is happening, guys, 7,500 is going to be updated and this 7,000 is going to be cleared the way it is cleared 3,000, right? Still, if you're having any confusions, try to post more and more number of transactions, guys, you'll be able to understand. So in case of partial payment, what is happening, guys, of course, here system is going to generate the partial payment, means payment for payment line item also it is so for payment also a new line item is going to be generated by system, and the payment is also going to be updated here in the form of open item itself. What about the receivable item? That is going to be explained, guys, don't worry. So this is what the uniqueness of this partial payment, guys. Partial payment means it is going to be, partial payment is nothing but a part payment itself. Whenever we are going to receive a part payment, it can be posted in the form of partial payment or receivable payment. So certain percent of the amount we have received in the form of payment. So what is happening, guys, in SAP we are going to post that amount. If you post it in the form of partial payment, then system is going to generate a new open item with this partial payment amount. Okay, now if you are going to, let's suppose this time I have received the full payment. Worth of 3,000. So here now nothing, no need to change here. Why? Because 3,000 means 7,000 plus 3,000, 10,000. So anyway here it is 10,000 is already updated. If you want to simulate, you can simulate and look at here, guys. Now this is what the accounting entry is going to be posted, and if you save it, then I'll show you here. Then click on refresh. So that is gone. This is gone, right? So this is how what will happen, guys. This is how the partial payment is going to be posted. Now, what about the receivable payment? So receivable payment, I'm going to show in the next session. In next video, we are going to discuss receivable payment, and then I'll also explain what is the difference between partial payment and receivable payment. So that's all in this session, guys.